A wide cluster of standard well-being apparatus and great crash test scores are resources for the 2018 Honda Accord. The 2018 Honda Accord almost A-star well-being score with culminate crash test scores from government and free analyzers. The main flaw, the Accord's headlights. With 5-star evaluations no matter how you look at it, top safety pick grant from the IIHS and standard propelled well-being frameworks. Acquire the Accord a 9 by our books. Honda's well-being expert this year is standard propelled security includes on each Accord, even base trims, the framework, which the automaker calls Honda Sensing, incorporates forward impact admonitions with programmed crisis braking, dynamic path control, and versatile voyage control. It's on each model, incorporated with the section cost, and it's an awesome expansion. We trust more automakers take after Honda's lead. The IIHS says that the Accord gains a top safety pick grant. It's kept away from the best score because of its headlights, which rate adequate on most trim levels yet only peripheral on the range-topping Accord Touring. Better headlights would win it a top safety pick plus award. In profile, the Accord entices with a sport back shape that we wish they'd complete with an extended back roof line that curves back toward the end without a lot of a trunk top. It gets from different cars that have discovered sportback models and looks also attractive. An acquired tuxedo is yet a tuxedo, isn't that so? Around back, the Accord completes pleasantly with a lot of back glass and a decklet that is apparently undetectable from the profile. However, there's no braces concealing it. Lighter hues, including white, are an unsafe pick. The Honda identification seems to skim more than in different hues. The boomerang taillights do no wrong here. They're sharp, however not forceful. Inside, the Accord is significantly enhanced because of more slender rooftop columns that present the windshield in widescreen arrange. The lower nose and windshield rake absorb normal light, and a low flat dash doesn't act as a burden either.